So a guy named Cole sent me a message on Saturday saying that he dropped his phone in the water, had his ID, his credit card, and everything else. He wanted me to go find it. Didn't think I'd look, but I went and found it.
Here in O'Connell, Wisconsin, here to do a phone recovery.
On my way out to get the phone, I saw a lot of frogs just chilling by the wall there. This last guy, he wasn't chilling. And then I realized I went too far. I went back and felt around in the darkness and in the mud, and I came up with it. Pretty cool. Hand off to Jason. On the way back, I grabbed the tadpole, held the frog, watched him swim away, threw my fins down, picked up some trash just on the banks there. Not too much.
Successful recovery. It's been in the water a couple days, so not gonna work right now. Glad I found it.
I called him right away, and he was excited. Since I bought this back home, I've had it in these desiccant packets all night. Charging up, baby. Phone's a little beat up. I'm gonna put it in a bag and send it back to him. I'm gonna put his phone in here, and I'm gonna put some of these desiccant packets in here with it, so while it's headed to his house, it'll keep drying out. Get the air out of there, seal her up, shove it in the box. Don't want to forget his case, his credit card, and his ID. Want to make sure it's protected, so I'm going to put some bubble wrap in there. Some more wrap here. I'm going to put an Ed the Diver stick in there for him, so he can put it on his truck, car, whatever. Help him remember that I found it for him. Put that right in there. There we go, ready to ship back to Illinois. Thanks for calling me, Cole. Glad I could find your phone. This one says thank you. Up here, be kind. Look at that. We're gonna put one of these American flag stickers on there. Boom.